All right, this is a tournament at the Bad Decisions Bar in Baltimore. This is the final round of the Kittens tournament with the hosted by the Maryland Roller Derby girls.
Somebody give me a cigarette.
Look up.
Diffuse this.
I got the power.
I got the power. So you're gonna choose the first person for us?
Yes.
I'll
do
That's what I'm saying. You can
I got a fairway.
The kitten's already in there?
Okay. One at a time, we're going to pick a number between 1 and 10. I will pick one. The closest person gets to go first. So, pick a number. I'll tell you. So, he knows I'm not cheating. Oh, did you spot already? Alright, so we picked a number. Pick a number. 3. Pick a number. 7. 2. The number was 7. Oh, wow. The GG's first.
How does that help me?
Not at all.
You said I wanted to start.
That's why we picked it that way. Need more drinks, you can do it.
She's hurt in. She's like, give me a minute. Yeah, I did the same thing. I'm like, yeah.
Glasses are late game strategy.
Right, exactly.
That's when you need the kitten card.
We're all like doing the same thing. Who will discard?
Hoard the cards.
It's like cats. So they just knock all the other cards out.
Does that mean we're all crazy cat ladies?
Cat lover.
I don't know if I mind this. It's better than human company.
I don't want to be the first one.
Do it! Just do it! Do it!
I want to be the first one.
Just do it!
You give me excuse.
Gotta get it out of the way there. Your first one's always the hardest.
They're not evil, so I'm not going to put it on top. I'm going to put it in the middle.
You're not supposed to shuffle, but it's alright.
Well, because I don't want to know where it is either.
Okay, well.
I don't want to know what
When you get the Exploding Kitten card, you put it back into the draw deck. You can put it anywhere you want.
Right, but you're not supposed to shuffle
For
it.
every action you have, there will be
Right, you're not supposed to shuffle, right. But you can put it anywhere you want.
So you can be really evil with it.
We can make the noise right now. Likewise. My turn.
You can skip one and you have to take the next one.
If you have another skip, you can put another skip.
Pterodactyl.
What is that? What is that? The bear?
Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl.
Play that one. No, the other one.
So he has to draw 2 cards, but he can look at the top 3 because he played the Pigacorn.
Who's that to go? Did you just draw 2? Took 2. Alright.
And he took 2, alright.
Yeah.
I guess you just did it too fast.
He had the attack card.
Oh, okay.
He chose not to play in between his 2 hands.
My turn?
You're looking for them?
Yeah, you have to play with the extra ones because that's what makes the other card.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, why are you getting rid of cards?
Like maybe that card he gave him was perfect.
Are we playing with the extras right now?
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes. We are you're definitely playing.
Okay.
You cannot win without the X's. I want to be able to nope the 5.
Definitely put that in suggestions.
Well, that makes this easier. Like one of yours?
Draw it out like this. I will draw it like this. So you don't know.
Because I didn't actually realize that.
Did you draw a card?
Not yet.
Some of their special label stuff is better if you could rearrange. Play the cats. We need the cat sounds. Play the cats.
I don't know the
It's louder.
I know. I've already complained about the phrase. Like, listen, man. We know.
My stepfather's still here.
It don't work. It has begun.
The goat wizard.
They're fighting. A diffuse card if you have it.
Oh my god, you're gonna ask me?
Yeah.
3 of a kind? 4.
It's the world against you now.
And I'd like one of your cards, please.
I don't even want one of mine. Look at the poker champion with the sunglasses on. Fuck you guys. I don't want to do with this now.
I think he's just mad he can't play.
I think everyone's so gross this game.
World Series of Exploding Kittens.
That changes everything.
That was an interesting shuffle.
It's enough to change
Shuffle up.
whatever people have seen before.
It's a shuffle up again. How's it go?
Shuffle up, I guess.
Shuffle up again.
How many exploding kitten cards are there?
Oh, somebody else is playing.
One down, go.
He has one of mine. Let's see.
Please tell me if there's kitten. GG. If there's kitten exploding, please tell me. He just exploded now. Well, he didn't.
No, he didn't die.
He didn't die.
He diffused it.
Chelsea, I broke our stuff.
What was that?
Proud of you.
Yeah, there's nothing else worth 5 cards. Unless there's non-action cards. Not like really
Here in a little bit.
Move your card, sir.
Just one?
Just one. This is all which I require.
We have that.
Alright.
Where will he put it?
Yeah, I know. There's plenty.
Yeah, the end game is everything in this.
You want one of these? I get to choose. Yeah. Oh yeah, you get to choose. Oh, you're gonna do Not that one. So we're now even. Thank you. You want? My pleasure. It's the 1 cat versus 2. My 2 front doors.
There's only about 6 cards left there.
There are 3 cats in there.
There's like 10 cards left. Yeah. Chances
Yeah,
are you're gonna explode.
About half that deck is exploding kitten cards. Right?
Kaboom! Oh, she shuffled again. Kaboom! That's it. Nope.
Oh, the nope card on the show, on the view.
Yep.
And then the yup card, and then, well, there you go. What has he got? What has he got? What has he got? We don't know.
You like to know where the bullets are. Unfortunately, I can do nothing about it.
Damn it!
Choose wisely, sir. Choose wisely.
I've chosen the bottom.
I think there are only 2 diffuse cards left, if I'm counting correctly.
There's 6 tar.
There's 6 total.
6 diffuses. Thank you. And he's played 2 already. He's played 1. I played 9. You played 1.
So be distracted.
I think somebody's just salty they can't play. Are there no diffuses left in the deck?
I think it's last one. I counted. Unless somebody has one. No. Unless he has another one.
Everybody is still in. This is really pretty amazing. But we're getting down to the wire.
This is all just down to
It's all luck.
This is Russian roulette.
Yeah. And who's gonna go last?
Who's going to go last is the only question. Well,
Are you playing 2?
so she gets a random card.
Were you there when Jeff did it?
What do you do?
He played down 5 cards, but 2 of them were the same.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, make sure.
I called him out on it.
I did that too. I need to pull them all out. Did you grab this card?
I got a good card.
Not very nice.
I got a random card.
That was not very nice. You gonna go for something? What I just said yes.
The cheetah butt.
Nope, that's it. Come on, guys. It's so difficult to decide what to do.
Pulls a shuffle.
He wants to spin the chambers.
Yeah, really.
Please don't do the same thing I did. Shuffle and put the
Wait, how many cards are left?
Oh my god.
Like 4.
How many are there? There's 3.
There's 3 kittens in there.
Oh, then you're gonna probably win.
Who knows? I'm equal for everyone now.
It's tough. I have 3 kittens and 3 cards.
Here it comes. First down.
Right.
3 cards.
3 cards left.
So I said
2 out of those 3 cards are exploding kittens.
Oh!
So I'm gonna lose. You have to.
Do you have a note?
We know you're out. No, there's 4 cards left. 50-50.
So there.
Does he have to pull both of them?
I've already died. So it's 50-50 now.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Do you have an attack or something?
Gonna shuffle the cards.
I told you!
And she had nothing. If she'd have pulled the card, she'd have won.
Yeah, it was so close.
Wait, so what's the
Lucky
grand
I
prize?
got his diffuse.
Right.
The grand prize
It's down to luck,
is the Team Maryland t-shirt.
which I will give to someone.
We'll get to you later.
No, I can give it.
Oh, yeah. I don't have it with me though, so
Yeah,
I
I
gotta...
know. So.
And a shot from the bartender. And a shot. Imagine somebody is going to give you a $25 tab.
$25 tab at the bar.
Yeah, just one price.
Okay,
It's zero.
You can have the t-shirt or the top.
This is what you guys get for
I'll
allowing
take a
me to
t-shirt.
learn how to read.
T-shirt? Okay, so
Just let me know the size you get and your address. I'll send it to you because we had to order some more.
if the first present you get,
Oh, and first place medal.
A medal. Check that out. What fun. Exploding Kitten champion.
I called it though. I said you were gonna win.
Fun all around.
When there was like 6 cards or 4